ToolManageriQ can be configured by using the Settings button. The first tab has your license agreement and license information. The second tab is all about the database you're connecting to. One of the most powerful things about ToolManageriQ is that different installations can connect to the same database and see the same information. Now, usually the default that's installed is good enough, but if you have your own database running, you can always point to it here by using the ellipsis buttons to change the host, database name, as well as a login if required. The Directories tab are all of the paths to the different support items like solid files and pictures. On a local installation, normally the defaults are good enough, but if you're using a server, you may want to point to folders on the server so that everything's centralized. The Application tab points to the software that's used to open and save the solid files. The default will be the installation of gibbsCAM that you're on, so again, we recommend to leave that alone. The Language tab is where you can change the language, and once you pick one, we recommend that you restart ToolManageriQ. So change it there, and just close it and open it. The Backup tab is all about backing up your database. If you use Backup Database, that'll save it as a BAK file, and Restore Database will load a BAK file. Now keep in mind, the support items must also be in the folders. And then the About tab has your current version, some different contact information. So however you want to change your settings, it's only a couple clicks away.